I go by the names of Feffe, Busilove, the baddest, the illest, the smartest, the greatest. Yeah man, ndiwa mukisa nnyo okuba ku luno olunaku ne oji wange n'abawanuka wange LJ wange mame Lydia man, big up to you. Nze kyenyinza okugamba sikolangako show naye boy ndi mabegawo era tugenda kikuwa. Count on me on everything. I'm supporting you, I believe in you. Ate no just binining kuba nange nzija. Thank you so much.
Hi. How are you guys? Jasmine, I wish you all the best. First match. I don't know how you feel, but me, I know how I was feeling. So I know I might guess how you could be feeling right now, and I know you need my support. But I can support you at this time. That's why I'm here today to support you, because I know how it feels. I went to era nsaba buli muyimbi ali out there oba buli muntu asobola okuwa Jasmine obuyambi at this time in this last month. Obanga oli mukwano gwe obanga oyagala muwa support, is the best time okutegeera ani amwagala n'atamwagaliza. So everybody, please give her the biggest support that you could ever give her, because I've been there and I know how it feels. She needs all your support. Bafani be, abawagizi be, family ye, bawe, fellow artists. Be there for Jasmine, I beg you. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, honey. I wish you kill it. I'm right behind you all the way.
Mulimutya sali bulungi omugole waffe bulungi bannange ate omugole ayogera mpola ate tuliwo abagole babiri naye omugole ono nina obugole obulala bwenjagala maaso awo naye kati katusooke kino kuba kyekiriwo bannange mwebale kubeererawo Lydia Jasmine. Lydia Jasmine yali yatuuka dda okukola concert naye mwebazizaako ekintu kimu nti tapakuse tapapye nti akubyeyo akayimba kabo concert. Jasmine alina ennyimba nyingi nnyo ate nnungi naye yeewadde obudde, era kyensaba abawagizi ba Lydia Jasmine, ennyimba ze nnyingi ate nnungi ate muwala mulungi alabika bulungi yeekutte bulungi talina buzibu. Mbasaba mumuwagire n'omutima gumu. Jasmine manyi kyoliko baffe tubiiseemu n'essaawa zino manyi kyoliko naye I just wish you luck. Tewali kirala kyonna, Mukama akuteremu omukisa.
Hello everyone.
Hi Abba.
My name is Abayimbi. I'm here for Lydia Jasmine. I want to first thank the press for giving time. Thank you so much. I was here at 10, exactly 10. I think I was actually the first person here. That already shows that I love her. I think I was here actually at 9:39, at 59. Yes, so by 10 I was already here. She really means a lot to me. She's a very good girl. She has loved me even before I got Shabada. She has been loving me, so I had to give her the love back. Shabada. Thank you guys for supporting, and I'm here to support you, girl, in case of anything. And I pray and I call upon everyone out there to come and support Lydia Jasmine, because she's a very good girl. She got the vocals. She's really talented. I like your vocals. Girl, you really know what you're doing. And thank you guys. Yeah, remain yours. Have a peace.
Thank you, have a peace. Chico, story artist.
Yeah. Kyesinga okwagala ku Lydia Jasmine nti teya papa. Nja kwogereza ku bigambo bya mukyala Lutaaya. Abayimbi abamu bagenda ne batuwaayo awo kahiti kamusebo nayagala atubeeko concert. Okitegeera ne Lydia azikoze n'azikola paka lwenyudde n'agamba kati nsobola okuba abantu essaawa 2 non-stop nga sibawumuzaamu. Lydia ennyimba azirina ate ennungi. So we tuli supporting Lydia kyoba omanya ate tukimanyi togenda disappointing abantu kuba tebogwa mu live kisukka. So we tulinga lumu match tukikube.
Members of the press, good morning. Thank you for being here for Lydia Jasmine. Webala okujja abangi bwe muti nasemba okulaba aba media abangi bwe bati lwe nakyaza Miss World wano. So bambi mwebala okujja abangi bwe bati mwebala okubeererawo n'okumusapootinga. Lydia, okimanyi nti kwagala nnyo, okimanyi nti nkukkiririzaamu nnyo. At least mbadde part y'olugendo lwo mu emyaka ndowooza kati ng'oba mwenda awo thereabout tutambudde nnyo ne Lydia Miss Uganda, naye ng'omuntu engeri nze gyendera abaana ab'obuwala. So Lydia oyo tutera okwogera nnyo naye mukkiririzaamu nnyo nga gyenkomeza era naye akimanyi. Lydia alina potential ennene ennyo nti with management ennungi, nga tulina management ennungi, tulina ba distributor abalungi, nga management si eyenoonyeza ebyayo. Truthfully, Lydia eddoboozi aliyina si lyakwogerera. Lydia mwana alabika bulungi, mumulaba nabo, because mu show business looks matter a lot. So looks siza kwogerera nazo. Melanin queen mumulaba. And she has a beautiful body. So I mean, she has everything. So with the right people around her. Nakolako kolumu commenti nengamba nti abawala ba Blue 3 then singa basigala bonna with management gye balina abaana abo bandibadde basobola okubeera nominated ku BET. Grammys maybe not yet but ku BET. Lydia tulabye Tiwa Savage nga bateeka All Africa, tulabye Yemi Alade, tulabye abakyala bangi. You have what it takes.
Yeah.
You have what it takes. We just need the right team. That's all. But you know I love you, you know I wish you the best. I'll be there for you like I've always been.
Thank you so much, Mommy. Good morning. How are you?
Good.
First of all, I would like to appreciate you all for coming here to support LJ, Lydia Jasmine. In Miss Uganda Foundation, we believe in talent development and also music, empowering a fellow woman. As a woman, I'm here to support LJ. And personally, she's also a good person. She's my friend. She's a good girl. And also, as Mama has told you, the history did not just begin today. It began way back. So what more can I do, or what more can we do as Miss Uganda Foundation to support and uplift our fellow women? Let's all gather together and rally up, tell a friend to come on first night and let's support the talent. So, Lydia, I love you so much and I wish you the best of luck.
Lydia Jasmine, first of all, I love you so much. Oh, Chimani, I love you so much, Musa Jasmine, for being so down to earth. I've met artists, Sichogera Musa Nyusa, but I've never met anyone as calm as her. Like she's Simani, like she knows our story. We are not like, we don't hang out a lot, but Jasmine Mwagalanyo, she's very down to earth, and I'm so proud of you for this step that you've taken. And we really can't wait to support you. Jasmine is very talented. She's very talented. We really love her songs. Elan's Nzengo Muntu, I've always waited to attend your concert. So, and Nebazanyo Banama Holiday, thank you so much for supporting artists. But most importantly, Jasmine. She's a good girl, and I can't wait to see her shine.
Thank you so much, Vivian Tendo.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prima, and I'm so proud of you, Jasmine. You know how much we've been asking for this. I took Lydia to concert. Wangambie, Prima nina pressa. I don't usually cancel my gym program. I was like, no, I'll go for Lydia. I love you and I'm rooting for you. We are going to support you. And people will come. Just know we're very young.
Feffe Busi, Wagwan, my brother. Karole Kasita, how are you? Mwanyinazo mulungi. Omukaga mbachi. Lydia ulabose tulo omukyala yo n'omuleeta.
I know.
Wesuleko. Yeah. Miss Uganda, it's my first time okulabako. You're so beautiful. Pounds. Prima, imukope kuhanga. Pada. I love you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, tell you how are you? Omugole Natalia mwenna bamawulire babi mwe bali kubaawo. Muli bamanyo bakyali mwe mwatukwatako ddewa. Era fezza mutuzimanyi. Mwe bali nyo mwe bayeddala. Lydia twali Fort Portal was it Fort Portal? Waina semwe ye hit. Akafananya kati nkayina nja kasa ku social media. Naye kugambya nayogera bwe nga gwembwa gwe ojja kuba Uganda eyogome. Ekasira ko kekano. Kanebaze promoter ya Sinikewe bale nnyo. Bazibu nnyo ba promoters abamu ababilivingira mu bantu. Naye obo believing the mwana oyo n'oteekamu ezizo akole ekisooka kino. Allah akuwa omukisa. Big events, thank you so very much. Lydia, I have nothing to say. Naye kwagaliza kisinga. Allah agenda kubalikia kuba oli mwana wa mpisa. Shoza fubaawo. Buli show ya muyimbi omubeererawo. Era omuyimbi ataabeewo. N'abayimbi mwena oba toli ku lisiti eno shot waga omwana tumuwa obudde bwe. Abakola ovuyo back stage this time round ngenda kubanga stage manager. Temujja kikola. Omuyimbi tumuwa obudde bwe. Tujje bwe tuzze katujje tunyumirwa omuziki. Bwaba oli ku line up nga bagambye ogenda yitamu jangu oyimbe. Oba toli ku line up tojja. Ojja kunkuba engumi n'eggaali zammwe. Nze stage manager. This time natwagala omwana oyo ashininge. Ale ye alemererwa atuswaze. Nemanyi hustle zokola tongera tuswaza. I believe in you, Lydia Jasmine. Nyini figure. One love. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Madrat.
Thanks when you meet this presence of all these amazing people. Lydia Mukwano, webale kunyirira, webale kutuwesa kitiibwa, abantu webale tuwesa kitiibwa Mukwano. Thank you for being such an example for us to, follow. When I was new in the industry, I got the chance to meet Lydia Jasmine. Kati mumanyi obera nga tourist obolowoza basita bagenda oba kweragirako kola biki. Lydia was busy giving me advice. Watch together kono yambala what? Watch together kono trying ngono. Si yanjikiriza obugoye actually nze yamuyigiriza obugoye. Naye nga Lydia was amid this news where we are supposed to be hating each other, but she was giving me a lot of love, a lot of guidance. Tuli backstage nga nyambako, tuli gena ku interview nga nyambako. I didn't know what I did to deserve you, my love. Nene yanziza nnyo.
ekirala njagala kwebaza abamawulire abasupportinze Lydia Jasmine mwebale kujja mbangi mu bungi mwebale nnyo okulaga Lydia Jasmine omukwano. I would like to recognize omugole wadde tebannaba mulaba omugole Auntie Irene. Embaga eyo yadde embaga eyo tugyetaaga ogwokubiri because twetaaga okulya ku cake okitegeera. I would like to recognize my love, Kardash and Chico. Bane tubagala nnyo guys, and I have seen you guys supporting Lydia Jasmine from the beginning of time. Bane concert yange wenatuuka mbasuubira rampa. Thank you so much guys. Tudda kupate kunyumirwa nsi kunyumirwa bulamu supporting our Lydia Jasmine, kukola drops nga bwe tulina ozikola buli muyimbi ali wano buli wa mawulire mu kiti kyo kyonna kyoli mu social media influencer. Bane katubatamye drops, kola drops musanvu if possible, teekayo drop buli lunaku if possible. Kubanga sirawangayo lunaku Lydia Jasmine weyatakolera muyimbi yenna drop, whether they like it or not. So yeah, tubatamye drops. Thank you so much. Oh, and Lydia Jasmine fans, we love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting our girl.